The default logic of ipyvizzu is to show the sum of values that are in the categories added to a chart. But is it possible to use other aggregation logics within ipyvizzu? Let's see some further options we have. So if we create a column chart by adding the popularity measure to the y-axis and genres to the x-axis, the height of our bars will show the sum of popularity values in each category within the genres. But next to the default logic, we have others available like the minimum, maximum, mean, count, and distinct. And as you can see, I introduced something new here. This is the label channel. About all the channels we have, I'm going to talk in a standalone episode. Here I always set the same value for the label that I set to the y-axis, because this way we can clearly see the exact values of the columns and we can compare them to our dataset. If we add the mean popularity to the y-axis, then our columns will show the minimum values of the popularity measure in each of the genres. And similarly, we can set it to max popularity, and our columns will indicate the maximum popularity values by the genres. We can use the mean logic. In this case, ipyvizzu will calculate and show the mean value of the popularity values in each of the genres. And if we see the count, then the height of our columns will show the number of items, or actually the number of rows in our dataset in each of the genres. And as you can see, we have 3 values for each genres in our dataset. And finally, we see the distinct logic. The distinct logic relates to dimensions or categories like the music genres or music kinds here, and doesn't relate to measures or the continuous variables like the popularity values in our dataset. So if we use the distinct logic with kinds, then we will get back the distinct categories of kinds in each of the genres. And that was the last one. Now you know all the available aggregation logics that ipyvizzu has. So let's move on to our next episode, where I will show you how to change the geometry of your charts.